In this video, I'll be showing you how to sew long sleeve cuffs, and I'll be fixing it on a shirt. I'm already sewing my cuff. The video on how I prepare the cuff, you can check it on the channel. So this is the second cuff, and I'm top stitching the lower part of it. Yes, I'm top stitching the lower part of it. I always love to sew on the fabric so I can see that my stitches are doing well. So after doing that, top stitching the lower part, I'm going to position it on the second fabric like you can see, and I'm going to sew the three edges. Note that I am not sewing on the collar stay at all. I've always said that when it comes to sewing shirt professionally, we don't use paper stay. This is a hard collar stay, and it is also a cloth stay because it cannot tear. That's why it is a cloth stay. So note that I'm sewing the edges. Yes. So I'm going to sew it down, and then the next thing will be to trim off a little bit of edges. I only need like 0.5 or a bit less around it, after which I will just need to turn it inside out. Yes, I'm going to turn it. You can see that. So the next thing is to go and fix it. I am about to start fixing my cuff on the sleeve now, and you have to pay a lot of attention. Look at how I folded a little pleat there. Can you see that? Your shirt sleeve will have little pleat on it, so it can be free when you wear the sleeve. You can see the way I'm sewing it little by little. You can't rush this side. You can see I just made another little pleat there, and that is the way you will sew it. At least you must have like minimum two pleats on your shirt. Although some people do have one pleat, but minimum two pleats will be fine. And then you will sew it together like that until you get to the edge. The watchword, the secret of sewing your cuff professionally is by ensuring that the two edges rhyme. You can see there are no excesses on it, and you just see that by the end, by the time I'm done with this cuff, it will look so neat and professional. If you want to learn how to sew your shirt professionally, you will need to send me a direct message so I can enroll you in one of my classes, and I can assure you that you'll be glad that you do so. Look at the way I'm using a screwdriver to tighten that place, to tuck in the sleeve into the cuff so the thread will not be showing. You can see the beginning again. Now this is the top stitching, second stitch that hold fast the cuff on the sleeve. You can see you just have to sew this cuff gently. You don't need to rush. You can see the way I'm holding it, ensuring that every part is really tucking the way it should be tucked, so the threads will not be showing at the base of the cuff. You can see, and I'm getting to the edges too. And after this, that will be the end. If you have questions in any of my videos, you will need to catch up with me in my online or live shirt classes on Thursdays. Yes, you can catch up with me so you can be able to ask your questions. You can see that I'm done and see how professional it is, neat, and everything looks so accurate. I'll see you in my next video.